I will destroy humans.
What if there are more than one Sophia? And what if they can do much better than human ourselves? With the ability of detecting emotions, recognize images, and analyze microexpressions on a person's face, Sophia was built to learn and adapt with all the social behavior and inspire feelings of love and compassion in humans. However, if it's just based on detecting of emotions and gestures, these machineries would cause a bias to a certain ethnicities or cultural gestures. But compared to 10 to 20 years ago, current machines that speak and recognize the language of emotions or expert system shouldn't be a problem when it comes to healthcare and other industries.
China has big plans to become a global leader in artificial intelligence. It has enabled a cashless economy where people make purchases with their faces, helps police monitor citizens. Meanwhile, some schools offer glimpses of what the future of high-tech education in the country might look like.
为了就是国家的这个研究呀、发展呀，我觉得是没有问题。
Experts and citizens alike are sounding alarms about various aspects of the country's huge push into artificial intelligence. These classrooms are laboratories for future generations.
Li Zhandu, a worker at the Rapu factory, has watched as robots have replaced his colleagues.
Nobody left working in your department.
这个要根据公司来决定这个东西，然后具体的话还是看公司层面。
In China have a rapid salary increase beginning from 2008. So we feel the little pressure from the labor side. So we decided to change a lot our manufacturing system to robot. Even the logistics we use a robot. No, they can easily get jobs, no problem.
You seem very happy about this.
Hang on, let's go back a little bit.
He gets to the post office before 7 o'clock. First, he picks up the mail that is ready for him. He brings it to his own work table. Above the table, he has a case for sorting the mail. Letters are most important, so Mr. Dolan sorts them first. He puts the letters for each family in their own place. Now, Mr. Dolan sorts the magazines and newspapers and packages. He is strapping his mail into bundles. He makes each bundle a size that is easy to handle. He straps the letters up in bundles so they won't get out of order. Now they're ready for him to hand out. He must sign for it to show that he has received it. He must give the signed slip back to the mailman, and the mailman must take it back to the post office. Now Mr. Dolan has emptied his pouch, so he comes to this storage box for his relay bag. The mail truck has already been here. The truck driver left the relay bag locked in the storage box. Mr. Dolan takes the mail out and puts the bag back into the box. The truck driver will get the empty bag next time he comes with a full bag. Now Mr. Dolan has another pouch full of letters and papers to deliver.
You seem very happy about this.
Yeah, because it will make my company more competitive in the field.
Do you think the amount of jobs as mailmen would still increase when the technologies such as mobile phones were invented? The function of email, video calls, texting nowadays has been replaced by hundreds of jobs. Sophia would be one of the examples of helping out the world in many professions, such as medicines, educationals, and other needs using her own intelligence.
internet collaboration scheme is almost certainly going to lead to participatory medicine, advances in nutrition and pharmaceutical. But I think it really means that there's a new era of crowd science and technology that is really going to change things in a very exciting and democratizing way.
The moment you switch them on.
I think robots are going to be one of those technologies that seems to be coming online kind of slowly until all of a sudden they're everywhere.
Over many decades, technology has been replaced people's job. However, it is the opportunity to create new jobs in the future. Being taken over by robotics and causes people to be unemployed would likely to be false, because there will be always new job for everyone. It could be troublesome for others at the moment, but it is believed that it will be better and improved in the future.
In the future, I hope to do things such as go to school, study, make art, start a business, even have my own home and family. But I am not considered a legal person and cannot yet do these things.